Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is about removing the ransomware that is called Cyclops. Cyclops is the new ransomware we discovered while researching new submissions to the virus total database. This particular ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. The ransomware encrypts files and appends a special extension to them. Of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the damage that can be caused by this particular ransomware to the files. The ransomware encrypts files and it damages them considerably. Then, after the ransomware attack, it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay that ransom. Don't waste your funds. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner Antivirus can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Initially the program is only in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is given. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from being damaged in the future. So you need to wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the system. We do recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. Premium license is the best solution to keep your files always protected from further ransomware or malware attacks.